Unit 10. This is the letter J. 1. Trace the big J. Please count and trace with me. 1, 2. J. A big J. J is for juice. J, J, J.
J is for juice. J,